Hello my friends, this is Jeannie. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. In this video, my friends, I am going to do an unboxing with you. This particular box is a subscription box from Mindful Souls. If you have been with me for a little while, then this box and this subscription will look very familiar to you. I was subscribed to Mindful Souls some years ago. I think it was either 2020 or 2021. I did share 3 unboxings with you here on my channel. I have a playlist. I will link it down below so that you can go watch those videos and get an even better sense of what this monthly subscription is all about. I did cancel my subscription after 3 months for no other reason than I wanted to try different subscriptions, and at that point I had a self-imposed 3 months max subscription rule where after 3 months of any subscription I would cancel it and try something new. I was very happy with the subscription. I absolutely loved the products that I received in the box. In fact, I continue to use them to date. I am a super fan of the bracelets that I received from those subscription boxes. I put 3 of my favorites on here today so that I can share them with you. My absolutely favorite bracelet that I received from the subscription box is the Galaxy bracelet. We have different stones on this particular bracelet, including tiger's eye, jade, lapis lazuli, and some lava stone. Tiger's eye bracelet is another bracelet that I wear often, especially to work, because it is neutral and goes with every single one of my suits. So that's another favorite for work. And then one that's just aesthetically gorgeous is this black and white one. It is white turquoise and lava rock. I've had them for years. The quality is fantastic. I have what I would consider an average sized wrist. They fit comfortably and they have stood the test of time and wear tear of my everyday work life, where I'm constantly reaching in and out of my work bag, and I've never had a problem with the bracelets. I do get a lot of compliments when I wear them. Just aesthetically very beautiful bracelets. The good people at Mindful Souls reached out, asked me if I would be interested in doing an unboxing with you here and sharing a coupon code with you. I, of course, said yes, simply because I am familiar with the subscription box and with the products offered by this company. Beyond the subscription box, I have also purchased some standalone pieces from their website, and I will share that with you. I have this beautiful, stunning, one of my favorite sets, Larimar necklace and earrings. I got this from their website. It's absolutely gorgeous. The colors are beautiful. I love the pearl. It's just a very vibrant, beautiful set. I love the movement, and it pops when I wear this particular set with my dark suits. I get lots of compliments, and it's a purchase that I have 0 regrets about. Absolutely love it. So I thought I would share that with you. In case you're not interested in a subscription box, definitely go check out the website and see their standalone pieces, because they are stunning. This one, like my bracelets, I've had for many years, and the quality is fantastic. So now that I've shared that with you, let me share the items that arrived in this particular box with you. I did open the box, I did go through it, and I have it arranged here on the side of my table for the purposes of this video, so we don't linger too much on fussing with packaging. Your subscription box, this is what it looks like. Okay, inside the box, everything is packaged neatly and beautifully. You have this crinkle to help keep everything safe. The items do arrive in these fantastic little pouches. It is a monthly subscription. The cost is just under $40 a month. I think it's like $39.97, some strange number that way. The products are what they describe as mindful tools. You get 6 to 8 mindful tools that can include crystals, oils, necklaces, bracelets, and rings. They did offer me a coupon code. I will list that coupon code down below. It is Happily Ella F50 for 50% off your first box. There's also an affiliate link down below so that you can go ahead and click on that link if you decide you do want to subscribe. That all being said, let me share with you the gorgeous items that came in this particular box. This particular box seems to have a journaling theme. Now that I see everything, when you open your box, the first items you'll receive are all of the written pamphlets and materials better describing the items that are in your box. It includes a card, a folded card describing each of the items. You get a sticker. In this particular box, the first item I noticed when I opened it was this beautiful journal. It feels padded. It's not super padded, but it's padded for sure. It doesn't have that kind of ridgy texture that a lot of journals have. It's very smooth. It has a mandala, so it's beautiful. The colors are gorgeous. It is a lined journal. You can put your date here, circle the day that you're journaling on. It is double-sided. The weight of the paper is fine. It's about copy weight, I would say. It's very smooth. And you get plenty of space for writing. It does have a ribbon that serves as a bookmark. Very pretty green color. Coordinates well with the cover itself. Inside the box was also this affirmation for journaling. It reads, "My words on paper have the power to transform, heal, and inspire." This particular box also came with this beautiful pen. Isn't it gorgeous? Let me look up. I don't recall off the top of my head what it is. It is an Amazonite stone pen. I'm not familiar with Amazonite. Not sure that I'm pronouncing it correctly, but it is beautiful. The color is gorgeous. I love the marbling on it. Do you see that? It's secured quite nicely, so it doesn't feel loose at all. It is a twist pen. Very pretty. So that's a fun little item. Again, keeping with their journaling theme. This particular box also had some stones. Let's move this journal to the side so you can see these beautiful stones. Aren't they gorgeous? We have 2, 4, 6, 8 stones. I believe these are, yep, they are chakra stones, a set of healing chakra stones. This particular box also came with this beautiful ring. Isn't it gorgeous? It's adjustable. Do you see that? So you can wear it on whatever finger you see fit and just adjust it for your particular finger size. It's absolutely beautiful. I love its simplicity. Let's see what the stone is. It is carnelian. I would wear this, absolutely wear this every day throughout my work day. I love the neutral color. I love the simplicity of it. It's something that I would be quite comfortable with wearing every day to work. It's beautiful. And I love that it's adjustable. In fact, I'm gonna leave it on. It's so pretty. This box also had 2 necklaces. Interestingly enough, one of them was not listed in the written materials that I received. I actually had to go to their website to look this one up. It is stunning. Stunning. It turns out it is a dragon's heart labradorite necklace. Absolutely gorgeous. Might be one of my favorite necklaces that I've ever received from this particular subscription. The weight is fantastic. According to the description, the weight is 1.4 to 1.76 ounces. The cord or the necklace part of it is adjustable. It adjusts from 9 and up to 14.9 inches. So if you like your necklaces to hang short or long, you definitely have options here. The cord is beautifully braided. I don't know if the camera's going to catch the details, but the braiding is beautiful. I love the open braid so that the stone is on full display. It is stunning. Beautiful. And actually, now that I think about it, if you have some skills and you know how to braid stones onto necklaces, these stones can be turned into some gorgeous, stunning necklaces. But that's just the thought of something different you can do with those stones. This is stunning, absolutely gorgeous. Then there is a second necklace here. Let's look this one up. This one is the raw green fluorite necklace. It is a beautiful color. This one, the stone itself looks like a hole was drilled into it, and they threaded the cording through the hole. It's far enough down into the stone where you really shouldn't have a cracking or breaking issue. Now, there are no repeat items in your subscription boxes. For me, I did get repeat items simply because this is not my... I've been subscribed to this in the past, so I am the exception to the rule, my friends. When you subscribe to the box, you get 6 to 8 unique items in your box every month, and you will have no repeat items. For me, a perfect example of a repeat item is this gorgeous, gorgeous bracelet that was included in this box. Does it look familiar? It should. I just talked to you about this bracelet because I already have it. Check it out. It's one of the first bracelets that I received when I subscribed to the box way back when. It's one of my all-time favorite pieces, and I cannot even explain to you how happy I am that I got another one. It is a gorgeous bracelet. Let's look up the information on it or about it. It's called the Solar System bracelet. I think I described it as the Galaxy bracelet, but it's actually called the Solar System bracelet, and it's simply gorgeous. I love that I have another one to add to my collection. And my intention is to layer them. I love layering. So my intention will be just to layer them and wear them like that. Beautiful. That is my entire share with you, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate you. And I will catch you all in my next video, my friends. Until next time, bye-bye.